Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound, dollar, GBP, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, today is the last day for the workshop. From tomorrow onwards, the workshop will start. If you're really interested about learning about the market, if you really like the work that I do, then you can consider signing up for the workshop if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income. Everything is on the website. The link is in the description. Hopefully you will like it. Okay, and now let's have a look at the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. And as we discussed in our goals video, Euro USD video, and my previous video on GBP USD also, that DXY was showing a symmetrical pattern and we were waiting for a breakout. And yes, we got the breakout and we can see that the good amount of correction is going on DXY. As a result, we are witnessing good recovery on the chart of Euro, dollar, GBP USD and others. 110 was a major support for DXY, and yesterday it broke the major support and right now standing at 109.77. This is the current market price of DXY, and in case DXY comes down, then the next support is around 109.30. This is the next support for DXY. The important thing about 109.30 is that in case the selling pressure continues, and if market breaks this level, you can see that we do not have any immediate support on the chart, and the next support will be around 107.85 to 107.70. so if DXY breaks 109.30 level, there will be a massive recovery on the chart of GBP USD and others. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well, because DXY move will be very important. And today we have some news coming up. You can see we have got some high impact news: initial jobless claims, durable goods orders, MOM. Then for Euro USD lovers, you can see ECB interest rate decision also coming up. So this is all about DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of pound dollar. So this is the setup that I have made for the day. Okay, we saw an ascending triangle pattern where we had a resistance at the top, and whenever DXY was coming, GBP USD was coming down, it was not breaking the previous low. So it was a clear indication that market is bullish. Okay, but right now you can see that GBP USD is standing at 1.1612. This is the current market price. If you are already holding a buy position, be on the trade. But if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then right now this is not the right time. Because see, if you take a buy position here, then there is a high chance that the correction will continue, because see, no market goes up in a straight line. Okay, and for a proper buy position, you should always look for support. But do we see any support here? No, we do not have any support here. So as a result, if you take any buy position or any sell position, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So capital protection should be your first priority. So if DXY shows recovery during the day, during the European session or US session, DXY goes up, then yes, we will see GBP USD coming down, and you need to observe GBP USD around 1.1480. Why we are using this level? Because this was the resistance for us. Okay, this was the resistance for us, and in market, resistances act as support. So this time we can expect the market, to respect 1.1480 as a support here. So when market will be around 1.1480, 1.148575 level, observe the market and see how the market is doing. If you see that market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below. If you look for hammer pattern, bullish engulfing pattern, or anything that will give you a confirmation that yes, market is respecting the support, you can go for a buy position. because you'll get a confirmation that previous resistance is right now acting as support and you can take a buy position. For additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY. In case you see that DXY is forming big green candles, then obviously this support will not work. After all, massive up move on DXY, okay, massive up move on DXY will bring a massive down move on GBPUSD. That's why I always talk about the DXY chart. Okay. So taking a buy position at pullback is a very safe opportunity, okay, that we followed on the chart of euro dollar yesterday, and this is the best strategy on the chart of GBPUSD as well. But you need to observe the market at this particular level here, okay. And in case market goes up, okay, then you can see that around 1.1700, 1.1730 we have resistance zone. If market goes up and reverse, okay, if market goes up and reverse from this level here, you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, on the other hand, look at the chart of DXY, because let's say DXY reverses from 109.30, and at the same time, if you also see GBPUSD is reversing from this resistance at 1.1700, you can go for a sell position. But in case you see that DXY, okay, DXY is extremely bearish, okay, and if you're taking a sell position at resistance, that will be a foolish decision. Don't do that, okay, don't do that. Get the additional confirmation from DXY and then take the decision. After all, it's your hard-earned money, it's your responsibility to protect it. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, okay, and follow proper risk management. This is the setup we are seeing right now. In case as I have already shown you the news coming up, in case DXY shows heavy correction in the market, okay, heavy correction in the market, then obviously you should be looking for buy positions only, okay. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts during the US session, or let's say by tomorrow. If market breaks also this level, do not be surprised, okay, because we are witnessing correction there, okay. So if market breaks also this level, okay, try to look for a buy position at pullback, okay. The strategy we followed on the chart of Euro USD. See, false breakout, okay, you must also understand that false breakout is a bitter reality of the market. If you really want to save yourself from false breakout, then taking a buy position at pullback or retracement is the best decision, okay. Anyways, follow proper risk management, use the positions as calculator, and be careful, okay. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.